I'm not gonna be lowball about that house right now.
Would you walk away with 100? If you walk away with 100, I'd close in 30 days or less. It's gonna have, you're walking away with 110. Hey, Adrian.
Yes.
This is Travis. I'm calling you back about 1684 Pheasant.
Okay, what about it?
Still want to sell it?
Yeah, it's about 180.
Mind tell me a little bit about it?
Well, I'm at work right now, Travis, you know what I'm saying? You called my work phone, man. You just called my cell phone.
I'm sorry. This is listed on our form here that you filled out as your primary number. You got a minute? Since I already got you?
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with the house, man. My wife passed away.
Okay.
And my kids done got older. And I'm the only one in that house. I have put new AC unit in that house, new floors in that house, the bathroom, everything that's remodeled in that house. But they said you need hardwood and floor down. I wasn't able to put the hardwood floor down, but it got wall-to-wall carpet all the way through the house. The house is in good condition. I'm just there by myself, and I have remarried. So it's like living in two places and paying two everything right now.
Yeah.
So I was asking for 180 to get out of the house.
All right, so everything's good except the floors?
Yeah, everything's good. With that carpet on the floor, ain't nothing wrong with the carpet.
Yeah.
But everything is good, everything is good. They got a pool in the back there. But, I haven't been back there in that backyard, but the pool need a lining in. Pool need a lining, I'm just shutting the house as is, so I'm really not worried about fixing that pool back there. But that house do have a pool in the backyard.
And you said the payments are racking up on both, so you have a mortgage on this?
Well, I still have a mortgage on it. I still owe $50,000 for that house. That's why I'm asking for 180, because I'm not just walking away with nothing. I'm not going to be lowball about that house right now.
Yeah, for sure. Is price the most important thing or time?
What you mean? Well, right now, if someone give me a good offer, I'll get out of it. But right now, I ain't really trying to sell it. It depends on, right now, if the offer right, I get out of it. If the offer ain't right, I'm going to stay there.
Yeah.
But you can write down my cell phone number, and you can call me on my cell phone. I'm only there on Sunday.
Look, do you have a pen on you right now, actually?
Yeah. What you want me to write your number down?
Yeah, let me give you my name and number. And then I'm going to make you an offer. I want you to write it down, too.
What's your name?
Travis.
That's
T-A-V-I-S. Better put a capital T, man.
Yeah, I think
I'm just playing with you. I'm just kidding.
Okay, now, what's your telephone number?
361.
361.
443.
443.
3146.
46. And what offer you got right?
I got two offers for you. All right. I got one. You owe $50,000, right?
No, I owe $50,000 on that house.
You owe 50. So what do you want to walk away with? Like in your pocket, net, you ain't paying nothing else. You're walking away to the bank.
110.
Would you walk away with 100?
Maybe.
If you walk away with 100, I'd close in 30 days or less.
Okay, let me talk to my wife about that tonight, Travis.
Okay.
And I'll let you know.
Okay.
I really want a 110 because it's like 50 both old on that. Follow me?
Do you care?
And then you have to pay. I think you have to pay for the clothing and all that stuff.
Right. Do you care how you get your money? Like if it's me or if it's somebody else?
I don't care. I just want my money to go in my banking account.
Cool. So I got another option. I get you walking away with 110, but I'm gonna market it. I'm gonna cover all the closing costs. All right. But I'm gonna market it.
Okay, you say you'll get me to walk away with 110, but you're gonna market it.
Yep.
So market it means what? I don't get all the money?
You get all the money. I'm paying for the marketing. Here's why I can get you more that way. I'm gonna market it on the MLS. I'm gonna use my call center. I'm gonna find more of a retail buyer. Cause like you do business, right? Like cash buyer is gonna be a little cheaper, right? We gotta make a little margin. All right. But I can still do that if I get a retail buyer on this.
Okay, then I'll walk away with 110.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means I will walk away with 110 and that 4,000 that I owe would be paid out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sound good to me.
All right, look, I need to get your email. Let me make sure I got it. Hang on. Give me a second. I got your email right here. So look, you're going to get an email from my assistant. All right. It's going to have, you're walking away with 110. So that's 164, right? It's going to have 60 days or less on there because we're going to market it. All right. As soon as we find a buyer, I'm going to send you another agreement. And it's going to say, hey, remember, you're good with walking away with 110, right? And just as long as you're good with that, then we're good. So next steps is once you sign the contract, I'm going to send my agent out there and they're going to tell me, hey, look, Travis, like everything looks good in this house. I think you can walk away with 110. Now, if she goes there and there's a hole in the roof, it's like, Travis, I don't think you're going to walk away with 110. Then we're going to have to talk. But I don't think you're like that. I think you're telling me pretty straight.
Yeah. Now, you don't hold it on.
Cool. So if I
told you I'm down on Sunday if you want to come out and look at it.
Cool. So I'll send my agent Sunday. I got to have this thing signed before that, just so me or you, don't waste our time. We both ensure we're serious. Is that cool?
Well, yeah, let me talk to my wife tonight about what you talked to me about.
Okay. Is she on the deed too?
No, she's not on the deed.
Okay. You just need to make sure you don't get in trouble.
Yeah, I'm not the only one on that house.
Okay. You think she's cool if you walk away at 110 though?
I'm gonna talk to her tonight and see what she say.
Okay. When you want me to call you back?
You can call me tomorrow.
Okay.
I try to give you my number. Call me on 770-873-6515.
Okay. And you're talking to her this evening?
Huh?
You're talking to her this evening, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to her when I get out of work, when I get home tonight.
Look forward to doing it.
Okay. Call me back.
All right, man. I'm going to send you this agreement in the meantime.
Huh?
I'm going to send you this agreement in the meantime because I want y'all to have this when you talk tonight.
Send everything so I can let her go over everything.
Cool. All right. Talk to you then.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Okay.